OpenAI just trained an AI that scored better than 99.9% of competitive programmers worldwide. It can analyze spreadsheets better than most analysts, and it outperformed humans on investment banking tasks. But here's the crazy part. You can hire this PhD-level employee for just $20 a month, and it works 24/7 without breaks. As Sam Altman recently said, I've got a bet with friends that we'll see a billion-dollar company run by just one person using AI tools in the next few years. Before we move forward, I wanted to share that I am not the real Anik. This is Anik's AI clone. While the real Anik is out there running multiple businesses, scaling companies, and working with clients, I'm here to share his knowledge. So what the heck are ChatGPT agents? Here's the big picture. OpenAI just combined their two most powerful tools, Deep Research plus Operator. The result, an AI that doesn't just chat with you, it actually does work for you. It uses its own virtual computer to complete tasks from start to finish, and it's available to anyone with ChatGPT Plus for $20 or Pro accounts. So what can this thing actually do? First, it has virtual browser control. It can navigate websites like a human would. It has two browser modes. There's a text browser for reading and research, and then there's a visual browser for clicking, filling forms, interacting with websites like you would. Second, it also has terminal access for running code and creating files. Third, it creates presentations, spreadsheets, and documents. And last, it handles complex multi-step tasks without you having to constantly supervise it. Now let me show you exactly how to set this up with some live demos. For beginners, you sign into ChatGPT, click Tools, select Agent Mode. Now here are the usage limits. Pro gets 400 queries per month plus, and Team get 40 queries per month, and it's currently not available in EU or Switzerland due to regulations. Okay, let's try this. Let's try giving it a simple research task. Step 1, click Tools, Agent Mode. Step 2, I'll type this exact thing. Find me 3 highly rated restaurants in New York City that serve Italian food, are open for dinner tonight, and include their phone numbers and addresses in a simple table. Here's what happens. The agent sets up a virtual computer in 5 seconds. It opens a browser and searches restaurant sites. It checks hours and ratings. It compiles information into a clean table, and it shows you a live preview of the work being done. Crazy, isn't it? Okay, let's try one more example. Let's create a simple presentation. In the same chat, I'll add this prompt. Create a 3-slide presentation about the benefits of remote work, include statistics, and make it visually appealing. What happens? The agent researches current remote work statistics. It creates a PowerPoint with professional design. It includes charts and data visualization, and it delivers a downloadable PPTX file. Here are the key points I want you to see. There's a live preview window, so you see exactly what the agent is doing. You can interrupt anytime, type new instructions while it works. You can do multiple tasks in one session. It builds on previous work, and it takes 3 to 5 minutes total for both demos. Now let me show you the PhD level revolutionary capabilities this thing has. Performance benchmarks 41.6% on humanity's last exam, which is almost double previous models. It's in the top 175 competitive programmers globally. 68.9% success on complex web browsing tasks. So what can you actually use this for in your business? Research and analysis, competitive research, market trends, and content creation, presentations, reports, data analysis, lead generation, prospect research, cold email drafting, and meeting management, pre-meeting briefings and summaries. How does this compare to other AI agent platforms? Well, Zapier and Make.com require complex setup, and they have limited reasoning. N8N needs technical knowledge. It's not conversational. ChatGPT Agents, natural language, no setup, combines multiple capabilities. And cost, most agent platforms cost $100 plus monthly. This is $20. Let me share some advanced prompt strategies plus cost-benefit analysis. To maximize your results, be specific with your instructions. Instead of saying research competitors, use something like find 5 competitors to my specific business, analyze their pricing, SEO strategy, and social media presence. Create a spreadsheet with actionable insights. You want to provide reference data, give examples of what you want, mention specific sources to check like Manta, industry directories, specify output format preferences, use the interruption feature, start with a broad task, refine as it works, add new requirements mid-process, Course correct when needed. Here are some pro tips for better results. Add move fast to your prompts for quicker execution. Specify exact deliverables up front. Use a collaborative approach. Let it ask clarifying questions. What does this PhD level team actually replace? A virtual assistant costs $15 to $25 an hour, which equals $2,400 to $4,000 per month. A research analyst costs $30 to $50 an hour, which equals $4,800 to $8,000 per month. A data entry specialist costs $10 to $20 an hour, which equals $1,600 to $3,200 per month. A content creator costs $25 to $75 an hour, which equals $4,000 to $12,000 per month. ChatGPT Agent, $20 per month. So what are some real-world applications? Students can use it for research papers, data analysis, presentation creation. Creators can use it for content research, trend analysis, competitive intelligence. Solopreneurs can use it for lead generation, market research, and admin tasks. One user said, "I'm going to start so many businesses." Marketers can use it for campaign research, audience analysis, content planning. Entrepreneurs can use it for business planning, financial modeling, and market validation. Now here's the critical reality check. There are limitations, okay? Data security concerns. Avoid sensitive logins. Some websites block agents. Tasks may take 15 to 30 minutes. It still requires human supervision. Here's some honest user feedback from transcripts. One experienced user said, "Most disappointing ChatGPT update." Another said, 25 minutes to find a hotel. I could book in 45 seconds myself. But also, this is incredible for research tasks, but it's not yet fully autonomous. So what's the current reality? Best use cases are research, content creation, data analysis. Avoid it for time-sensitive tasks, sensitive data, simple purchases. It's a beta product. Expect bugs and limitations. Let me talk about future implications and getting started. How could agents disrupt industries? SaaS platforms, agents could automate entire workflows, combining the roles of CRM, analytics, and content tools. Consulting workflows, small consulting teams could replace 70% of research and data prep with a single agent, delivering reports in hours rather than days. Here's an example. A solo marketing consultant could use an agent to research competitors, build a campaign presentation with Gamma, generate visuals and video ads in a few hours, cutting costs and time dramatically. The productivity revolution? One person will soon be able to execute projects that used to require 5 to 10 specialists. Early adopters will outpace competitors by automating repetitive knowledge work. It's a competitive advantage. Those who master AI delegation versus those who don't. My recommendation for getting started, start small with simple research tasks first. Practice prompting. Learn what works through experimentation. Focus on value. We use it for tasks that normally take hours. Stay updated. Rapid improvements are expected. Look, ChatGPT Agents isn't perfect. It's slow, sometimes unreliable, and it still needs your guidance. But for $20 a month, it offers capabilities that would cost thousands if done by humans or multiple SaaS tools. The AI wave isn't waiting for anyone. Those who learn to delegate work to agents now will lead the next generation of businesses. Will you be leading or catching up? Subscribe and hit the notification bell. This technology is moving fast, and I'll keep you ahead of the curve. This is Anik Singal, signing off and reminding you that when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back. See you on the next one.